Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to check all blocked accounts or people on Facebook. It includes all the accounts from forever. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's open up Facebook and go to chats or messenger option. Now chats are open. Click on settings option in top right corner. Now at very bottom there is option of privacy and safety. Click here. At second number there is option of blocked accounts. Click here. There is only one number in my blocked list or blocked account. You can add by clicking on plus button. Go to search bar and search any account from your friend list. I select a number. You can block by two ways: block messages and calls. In this way you will not receive messages and calls. And second method, block on Facebook. In this method he can't tag you or he can't see your stories or your post. You can simply unblock by clicking on this unblock option. In this way you can check all blocked accounts and people on Facebook. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.